All right, welcome back to McNeil's Garage. We are back on the stupid Impala once again. I'm getting ready. I'm tired of working on the Impala. But we're getting really, really close. Let me show what we did over the week. They got all the wiring back, got the Terminator X back in there. Well, we went to fire it after we got everything back up, and wouldn't fire. Couldn't start it.
Yep.
Here's a fuel pump. So, the last time between you fired it, whenever it was making noise in the motor, Trevor took it out and took some more wires out of it. Well, once he did that, he might have took out some that didn't need to be taken out. So, having said that, we tried to diagnose what's going on. So, let me see here. We went and cut this long wire here. Yep, all that wire there. And we went all the way into the back by the fuel tank where the plug-in goes into the fuel pump. Went back there and there wasn't no power back there. So my thinking was, he thought he cut the wire to the fuel pump. So went and got a multimeter, put it on continuity. It has a little noise in it. Ran the wire back there. Well, matter of fact, I popped the hood, the trunk, and where the wire went through the trunk, chested it there, unhooked the coupling, checked it, make sure it's the same wire, followed that wire from the fuel pump all the way up, and we found the one that he cut. He left maybe this much that he cut on this side of the firewall. So he's got the one for the fuel pump from the Terminator X that already has a relay on it. So we found that one. We just went and put a clip on out and tied the Terminator X into that. That way it gives fuel pump. Let me show you where it's at. We still got to put all those wires back together. So it was that green wire. Well, son of a gun. Sorry. All right. It's this one right here with the green wire on it. So the green wire goes to the Terminator X. And that is your fuel pump. Matter of fact, right here it is, I do believe. So anyway, we got that done. And as you'll see in the next clip of us starting it. So hope y'all enjoy this. Hope y'all are interested in the wiring. Trevor did a bang up job on it. This makes like the second time he's ever rewired, the second or third time. The first time he fired up, it went good, but he wanted to try to clean up a little more by cutting some more wires. Well, yeah, it's bound to happen. You're gonna cut a wire one of these times. Oh, I got the headlights in. So check out the headlights. Got to get all those rewired. They got them wired, but they're missing the ground or something. So, all right. I'm going to show you where we started up at, and then show you another problem we had after the startup. So, hope y'all enjoy.
Off. All right, turn the key back on.
On. Is that what you just did? Was want that too?
I was just checking. All right, tabby steering is loaded.
The stylus is behind you. That helps.
So the startup too.
Hold on.
He's tweaking.
Really? Alright. See what happens.
Jason, look at my car.
Ready?
Hit it. I hear the cutout. Huzzah! Cool.
All right, so you know the old saying, if it ain't broke, do not fix it. Well, that's what we did. We started it up the other night, and transmission fluid was leaking out of the transmission cooler lines. Let me put some glass on real quick. Sorry about that. So I told Tabby, you know, I know I'm gonna get ridiculed for the way I got this up here, but it has worked for years and years and years. So what I got is the plug for the transmission cooler lines. I just cut the thing off and I got a hose right here. Well, you see this do-it-you-bob here. I thought I could make it easier to take it in and out. So I told her to get an AN fitting. It goes in like this. It's like a banjo bolt. Well, yeah, right there it is. Right there's a hole, see a hole. So that goes in, that thing there, and it does the transmission coolers. So that was leaking. That ain't exactly what I wanted. So I'm gonna take it back off and just put the hose back on it because it has worked for years. So I'm gonna do that and just one step closer. All right, so that's it. We got it started. Hopefully got the transmission leak fixed. We got the fuel pump fixed. Trevor's gonna come up this week and voila. Fix all this, put everything back, make it nice and neat, figure out I think we're gonna mount the Terminator box right here because you still got the cooler, the overflow sits right here. That's about all that we could do with it. So, thank y'all for watching. Appreciate it. Comment below, like it, share it. Tell me what y'all think. Today is Thursday. Memorial Day is this Monday, so I'm gonna try to get it out for this weekend. We're going out of town for vacation, so I might take some videos on when we go out of town. So, and then Trevor comes up, does all the wiring. I'm sure I got to put a drive shaft in it. I got to put some gear oil in the rear end, and got to put some more transmission fluid in it. So, all right, enough blabbling. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe if you ain't subscribed yet, please. Sean McNeil, McNeil's Garage, saying see y'all later. Thank you so much for watching.